In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of or hide adverts in Outlook and make your inbox cleaner and easier to use. We'll look at 3 simple methods: a paid option, a free option, and a quick setting you can turn on. Let's get started. First, the most reliable way to remove ads is by subscribing to Microsoft 365. Start by signing in to your Microsoft account. Then choose a plan that works for you, like personal or family. Once you activate the subscription on your Outlook account, ads will be removed from your inbox and sidebar, especially on the web version. This is the best option if you want a clean experience without any extra setup. The good thing about this method is that it also works across all your devices. So if you use Outlook on your phone, tablet, or computer, the ad-free experience will carry over as long as you're signed in with the same account. You'll also get extra benefits like more cloud storage and better security features, which is a nice bonus. If you don't see the ads disappear right away, just refresh your inbox or wait a few seconds. Now, let's move on to a free option. If you use Outlook in a web browser, you can install an ad blocker. Open your browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and go to the extension store. Then search for a trusted ad blocker like uBlock Origin or AdBlock and install it. After installing, make sure the extension is turned on, then go back to Outlook and refresh the page. You should now see that ads are removed from the inbox, the sidebar, and even the reading area. Everything should look much cleaner. If ads are still showing, try restarting your browser so the extension can fully start working. Just keep in mind, this method only works in the browser where you installed the extension. It won't remove ads from the Outlook app on your computer or your phone. Also, if something looks broken or not loading properly, you can try turning off other extensions to avoid any conflicts. Finally, let's look at a simple setting that can help reduce distractions. In Outlook on the web, go to Settings, then go to Mail and click on Layout. From there, turn on Focused Inbox. This feature separates your important emails into the Focus tab and moves less important messages like promotions into the Other tab. It doesn't completely remove ads, but it helps keep them out of your main view, which makes your inbox feel much cleaner and easier to manage. And that's it. Now you know how to remove or reduce ads in Outlook using 3 simple methods. You can choose the one that works best for you depending on your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.